Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this is a reading for singles. This is a reading from 1st of November till the end of November. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed anytime, and yes, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you. As it is a reading for November, the energies are not going to might be resonate with you at right now, but it will be in the future. Okay, so let's see your recent past energy or your past energy regarding your love life was. Let's see. Death and rebirth. Number 13. Death and rebirth. I feel like you had a breakup. You had a breakup, or you had a separation, or there was something that was not working out between you guys, between you and your partner. So I feel like you parted your ways with this particular person. Death and rebirth. So, and this is also a card of spiritual insight, gaining some kind of spiritual insights, gaining some kind of deep things in your life, and you feel like yes, this is completely changing. This is a complete transformation. I feel like you are no longer the same person, Taurus, as you used to be after this separation or after this breakup or whatever happened in the past. This completely transformed you into a new person. You are no more the same person, no longer the same person as you used to be. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the death card in the recent past for you. That was a painful situation. Justice could be dealing with the Libra here. Could be dealing with the Libra here. Justice and 8 of Cups and 5 of Cups. Okay. You tried your best to do justice with your emotions, with your feelings, with your everything that is for you. Okay. You tried your best to do justice with yourself. You tried your best to seek balance in the equation, but there was no balance between you guys. So you just walked away. You just walked away, and that was a very deeply depressing kind of decision that you took for yourself. It could be possible that the Libra person walked away from you, and that the walking away made you really depressed and sad and made you feel lonely. Okay, it could be you who walked away, it could be them who walked away. I don't know, you know better about this thing, but certain situation was there where you guys broke up with each other, where you guys separated from each other, and I don't see this person is happy at all. This person is not happy at all, and I don't see that you are also happy about it. You were also happy about it. So we are talking about the past situation. So it was a recent past. Might be this is October that I'm shooting this video. Might be right now you're experiencing this. Okay, that you are sad, depressed, and you are feeling lost without them. You are feeling deeply. You're deeply regretting what you did, or you're deeply regretting what they did with you. Whatever the case is, you are no longer the same person, Taurus. Completely transformed and completely changed. This breakup, this separation changed you completely. What's your current energy regarding love, or what's your current state right now? Let's see. Three of Cups, celebration. It could be a reconciliation with the past person, but for most of you, I feel like you're trying your best to celebrate life as it is coming. You're not thinking about the future. You're not thinking about the past. You're just trying your best to be in your own self, celebrate life, and just make life happen. Make life happen to you. Make life celebrate something. Okay, you're just making your life good. It's looking good by the looks of it. I will see. I'll clarify your current energy. It could be a possible reconciliation as well. Because I feel like although you guys separated from each other, there is no permanent separation happening. Or there was on and off separation happening between you guys. Right now, I don't see the separation is permanent. Let me clarify the Three of Cups. Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, and the 8 of Wands. Definitely this person is coming back with an offer, okay, or you are going to meet a new person in some kind of celebration or party, or there is some kind of get together going on where you are going to meet some new person, and this person is going to offer you friendship. This is for some of you. For rest of you, I feel like a message or communication is coming from the past person, because they are very stressed, not able to sleep, not able to concentrate on anything, and they just want to have a back and forth communication with you. They want to clear out everything with you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. Just want to celebrate life with you. They want to have a reconciliation with you. Okay, this is your current energy. So this past person is coming back in your current energy, and they are offering you something. I don't see this is commitment as of now. To be very honest with you, I don't see a commitment. But yes, this offer is coming towards you, and this person is very stressed. They are very stressed without you, insomniac and not able to sleep, even anxiety, and they just want to have back and forth communication, not just communication or not just a simple plain hi hello kind of energy. They just want to have lots of communication with you, back and forth communication with you. Okay, let me see what is your energy regarding new love, or if you're dating somebody new, or your energy towards new love in your life, or love in your life in general, you can say. If somebody new is coming to you, let me see. I'll read according to the cards. Knight of Wands, definitely there is person coming towards you. This person is highly passionate towards you, for you, and this person is ready to take the risk with you. They are going to take the risk. They are going to take the leap of faith. This is Knight of Wands. Okay, this person is highly passionate, highly passionate about you. They are sexually attracted towards you, and this is non-committal energy. I don't see a commitment coming towards you from this particular person. This is a new energy that I'm reading for. So this person is coming towards you with lots of passion. They're highly attracted towards you. They can't resist you, and that's why this person is coming towards you with lots of passion. And this is Knight energy. This is not a stable energy right now, but I feel like with time it will be. Let me clarify. Okay, Nine of Wands and the Seven of Swords and the Knight of Cups. The past is all over here in your present. I feel like this is the past person who is deeply hurt, who is feeling like a wounded warrior. They are feeling like, yes, although the separation is done, although this person is gone, although Taurus is gone, I am still so much in love with them. They were self-deceptive. You will get to know that this person loves you so much. They still loves you so much. This person is deeply hurt. They are going to throw or spill the beans or tell you the truth that they still have lots of love for you, and they want to offer you this love. This is Knight of Cups, this is Knight of Wands. Passion and love mixed. This is passion and love mixed. And this person is coming back to you with all the love and with all the passion. Finally, this person is realizing that you are gone and they don't want you to go anywhere else or go with somebody else. So that's why this person is coming to you. Finally, they will open up to you. Finally, they will say you or tell you that how much they love you and how much they need you. And this person is deeply hurt and wounded with that breakup thing. I don't see this person is happy at all. So this is the past still in your present, so much in your present. I don't see a new person as of now. Although new, I see a slight energy of a new person as well, but I don't see you are ready for a new person as of now. Okay, let me see what is happening with you till the end of November. Potential outcome. Two of Cups. Beautiful reunion, beautiful soulmate connection, beautiful soulmate energy. Two of Cups. Finally, you guys are reuniting, and finally, you guys are going to be together, because finally, you will realize and they will realize that you are their soulmate. I don't see a resistance after this. You both are going to realize that yes, this is my person, and they are going to realize that yes, this is my lady or this is my man, and you guys are going to be together. Beautiful reunion. Let me clarify the Two of Cups. The Empress, the Queen of Swords, and the Devil card. Okay, this beautiful love energy coming towards you, and I think you guys are going to cut the negativity, the toxicity, that codependency. I don't see a third party situation here till now in this reading. So the Devil card for me is Capricorn energy, by the way. So the devil card here for me is that you are cutting out all the negativity and toxicity. Queen of Swords, this queen is cutting all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the codependency, and finally you guys are going to realize that this is soulful connection. This is a soulful connection. You are going to realize that there will be a period where you are going to feel like, yes, I want to feel good, I want to look good, I just want to cut out all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the codependency, everything. And for some of you, Taurus, for some of you, it could mean that you are cutting out the negative person from your life. It could be the person that you were dealing with in the past, and it is self love. It is love with yourself. It is love with the universe, that you are going to receive love from the universe, and you are going to feel like an empress, that you are an empress of your life and you are receiving lots of love from the universe and you don't need anybody else in your life. So that's why you are just cutting out all the person, all the negative and toxic situations from your life. Nice, good to know that. For most of you, it could be self love. For those who are still related to the past, still connected to the past, you are having a past person coming back to you. Cool. So thank you so much, Taurus, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.